Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a delicious and flavorful starter. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for step 1: tofu, cornflour, coriander leaves, chilli flakes, pepper and salt. First, we'll take 3 tablespoons cornflour, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons chilli flakes, around 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Just mix this. In this, we'll add our tofu. I've just cut the tofu in small square pieces. We are just going to give a nice toss. We are going to fry this. Once the oil is heated, we are going to fry this. You all can even shallow fry this. Once it slightly becomes golden brown, we are going to remove it. Our fried tofu is ready. Ingredients required for the final step are cornflour, red chilies, brown sugar, the fried tofu which we just made, sesame oil, celery leaves, French beans, pepper, soya sauce. First, take 1/4 cup soya sauce. In that, we'll add 2 tablespoons brown sugar and just mix this till the time the sugar dissolves. You all can even use the normal sugar instead of brown sugar. This is done. Now just keep this aside. First, we'll add 1 tablespoon sesame oil. In this, we are going to add 1 tablespoon French beans, 1 tablespoon celery leaves. I have taken 1 red chilli, which is easily available, and just slice them thinly. We will add the soya sauce and brown sugar mixture which we just made, and 1 tablespoon cornflour diluted in water. So I have taken 1 tablespoon cornflour and 3 tablespoons of water, and then the fried tofu. We will add little water to this. Because our cornflour mixture had thickened up, so that's the reason I have added water out here. So whenever something like this happens, you all can just add little water. This will help to loosen up the cornflour mixture. And then we will just add a pinch of pepper, and this is done. Our spicy stir-fry tofu is ready. Our spicy stir-fry tofu is ready. I hope you all like this recipe. Do comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.